Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video I will show you to use AI tool that is developed by Google team. Here you can type NotebookLM. After that you can open this website. This one is also another website. Okay. After that click here. Then click here OK. Now you can type anything. For example, let me type top 10 ways to make money online 2026. Then press enter. And here you can see we got this answer within couple of seconds. You can also get your answer in audio format, video and many more.